Where's mommy? He found mommy. Where's mommy? What does daddy do to Bryson? Bryson, what did daddy do? What does daddy do? Bryson, what's daddy doing right now? Bryson, what does daddy do? What's daddy doing? What's daddy doing, Bryson? What's he doing? Huh? You forgot already? What does daddy usually do? Huh? What does daddy usually do, Bryson? Huh? What does daddy do? What's daddy doing? Do you remember what he did? Bryson. Oh, I see you. I see you.